Hello, today I would like to present you what happened with powerbank that I featured on my channel like over a year ago. And yesterday night I was sleeping and I was woken up by a loud crack. I switched the light on, I didn't see anything and I go back to sleep. But in the morning I noticed that the powerbank have cracked enclosure, as you can see, and it is not from a drop. That's because from that angle you can see how bulged and swollen most likely the lithium polymer cell inside is. Here we've got manufacture of that powerbank and the specification. I'm pretty sure I was using it on the video with the Goal 0, and it was not during recharge. As you can see, the battery got 95%, so it was in the discharge process of charging my phone. And of course I've got all my safety equipment around me, so we've got no problem trying to open it. But I would definitely try not to poke. So we've got a teardown video. So here are the inside. I think I never seen in my entire life a power bank with a heatsink inside. That's pretty amazing. Just take a look. Looks like the USB PD require that. We got the aluminum fins, very interesting. The interesting thing is the pouch swelling is also part of normal process. And if you check the PDF for batteries, you are going to get dimensions, how big than it can get, and it is not any fault. So people in manufacturing sometimes adding like a padding foam that can shrink as the battery is going to be pushing and accommodate the free space. And here we've got the cell manufacturer. Here we've got the company, basically 2011, because that's ending. And we've got a free cells. That wire is quite interesting. Yeah, it is a temp probe, that's why it piqued my curiosity. So we had a nice protection. And to be honest, they do not really look very swollen. I mean, not the situation that just one of them is bad. Maybe that one feel a little bit bigger, but I might damage it during opening. But they do not look really swollen. The cell can grow up and you need to accommodate that space. And in many devices you are going to find a foam padding that can be compressed when the battery is swollen, being swollen from normal operation. But looks like they didn't add anything. So maybe it is not really bad, but maybe it was just swelling on its own, because I don't see like a really big path. But maybe that one, but it's not path. I'm not sure. I will definitely discard it. I will not risk my home being burned by something that definitely expand beyond how it should looks. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.